All right, now this is the goodies you can see a lot better than up in the car.
Yeah, man. And it's unbelievable all this stuff is under that car. And it's all from our great friends at Mustangs To Fear. And let me tell you, they send you everything.
All right, now the front end, this is great. So they've got a whole front cross member. This is set up for all the standard Ford engines, small block, big block, Coyotes, and maybe more to come. And the way they position the engine and the transmission with the subframe, you don't have to cut the tunnel or the floor pan. Let me repeat, even with the 10R80 massive automatic, you don't have to modify that floor pan. Then you come to the back, this is where really you're planting that power.
Yeah, man, imagine this, right? A lot of times when you're thinking an independent rear suspension, right, or something like, you know, like a four-link you're set up, you're thinking, oh, I gotta weld, I gotta cut, I gotta do all this work. Man, something like this is so easy because they've engineered everything for you. You're gonna start at the torque box, find the spring perch, right? Locate it here. They got this U-shaped 10-gauge steel, really thick, really robust. And check this out. No welding needed. Bolt, 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 bolt. You
It goes right over the original frame rail. So it goes right where it's supposed to go. Like I said, no welding. And thinking ahead, right, you got 3 mounts for the shock on the rear so you can change ride height super easy.
Again, they thought about everything. And here's what's great about Mustangs To Fear. Not only have they thought about everything, but you get it all complete. You can get this rear end. We got it delivered in the box just like this. Really, it'd take you a day to swap out a rear end.
All right, now this is pretty awesome because you get to see everything that's in the car over there. We don't have to install all these bits, but we do have Mustang To Fear gear going in our 67 coupe over here.
Yeah, let's get a gas tank. So we'll get all this cleaned up and get on that 67. You know, as a car guy, just kind of a side note, because I'm supposed to be telling you about this fuel tank. Isn't it cool to see great welds? You see welds like that and you go, oh, that's nice. All right, let's get into it. Obviously, it's a fuel tank for our 67 Mustang, but some unique features about this. And guess where we got it from? You bet, Mustangs To Fear. Because why? Because they give you everything. And I like it because they kind of go above and beyond. So let's talk about it. Here's your lip. It's going to fit right down in where the old factory tank was, but you see some things really different. All right, it's got the center fill, which is great, but if you have like a Le Mans Mustang or an old Mach 1, you want the side fill. Well, they offer that as well. It's got a fuel pump already in here. What? Yeah, 340 liters per hour. Now, if you need something big performance-wise, when you order this fuel tank, you just say, hey, give me something with 2 fuel pumps. The great thing is, easy in, too. Let me get my boy Kevin over here. This thing just drops in. Again, this is exactly how it comes out of the box, just like this. Pretty cool. Dude, that thing is sweet. Oof.